At PSIT, we believe the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Students secured multiple offers, turning heads across the country. The best part, triple offer stories became the new normal. Because why settle for one when you can have three?
I feel great to share that I have been offered the role of software engineer from D-Level. All of this wouldn't have been possible without good projects and coding skills.
I feel ecstatic to reveal that I have secured a full-time job offer from Flipkart for the role of SDE1. My institute has paved the path to my success by providing the best technical trainings which helped me to land various job offers and also enhance my technical skills.
PSIT gave me the opportunity to become a DSA trainer and interact with lot of juniors. This teaching experience not only increased my knowledge but also helped me to grow as an individual.
What I am, you might ask? I have job offers from two of the biggest multinational corporations in the CS domain, Goldman Sachs and Commvault Systems, not to mention the 5 other offers I hold from various companies across the world.
Premier recruiters included LTI Mindtree, TCS, Accenture, Deloitte, and HCL.
Because that's when most of the companies start coming in.
So in my case, our professors used to mention in every lecture that these particular questions could be asked from this particular topic.
By then you have covered up all the major subjects and topics.
Before shifting all your focus into preparing for interviews.
Also, devoting some time in creating good projects is really very important.
And your chosen programming language.
And you can start participating in various hackathons.
I focused on building up my problem solving skills.
Learning DSA with CS core subjects.
Okay, so solving at least 2 coding questions daily and studying some DSA helps a lot.
At PSIT, placement aren't a finish line. They are the launch pads for limitless careers. With each passing year, we are not just raising the bar, we are rewriting the rule book.
I'm mainly focused over DSA, and DSA is all about practice, contest, hackathons and consistency. And for strengthening my DSA concept, I also followed Striver sheet and videos.
But rigorous coursework and demanding schedules led to help me to grow in unexpected ways. PSIT does not only equips us to get such offers, but also empowers us to excel in them.
My journey here wasn't solely about reaching a destination. It was about continuous efforts, self-belief and hard work. The key to my success was not giving up no matter how challenging the situation became.
I have been working on my problem solving skills, which is a primary domain of Google, since my second year. For this, I have worked diligently on my DSA, working on several concepts and practicing regularly. I also participated in regular college hackathons and OLTs, which told me about my current progress and helped me identify my areas of weakness.
PSIT, where exceeding expectations is a cherished tradition. At PSIT Kanpur, placements aren't just for a season, they are a tradition we thoughtfully nurture. Because here, we don't just chase numbers, we set the bar higher and higher, leaving the last year in the dust. Among our proudest associations stand TCS, a prominent partner in our mission to create high-quality technocrats. Let's relive the blockbuster placement milestones of the last 3 years, a journey of big dreams, bigger offers, and careers taking flight. 2023 was the year PSIT said, "Go big or go home," and we went big. In 2024, PSIT proved that lightning can strike twice and sometimes thrice when you are this good. A staggering 757 students placed at TCS over the last 3 years, a true testament to the shared visions of PSIT and TCS, producing technocrats who don't just adapt to the future, they define it. With each passing year, we are not just raising the bar, we are rewriting the rule book. Because at PSIT, we believe that the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Together, with industry leaders like TCS, we continue to shape destinies, fuel dreams, and build futures.